Hello and welcome. If you're listening right now, just relax. You don't have to repeat after me. You don't have to write anything down. Simply listen. Let the English flow naturally into your mind. Take a slow, deep breath. Close your eyes if you want to. Let's begin. Imagine it's a beautiful morning. The sun is shining softly through your window. You wake up feeling calm and refreshed. You stretch your arms. You smile. You look outside and say, "Today is going to be a great day." You get out of bed. You make your bed neatly. Then you walk to the bathroom. You brush your teeth. You wash your face with cool water. You look in the mirror and smile again. You feel fresh. Now you go to the kitchen. You prepare a simple breakfast. Maybe you have eggs, toast, fruit, and a cup of coffee. As you eat, you enjoy the quiet morning. There is no rush. There is no stress. Everything feels peaceful. After breakfast, you get dressed. You check your phone. You see a message from your friend. It says, "Have a wonderful day." You smile and reply, "Thank you." You too. Now it's time to leave your house. The weather is perfect. The sky is bright blue. The air feels fresh. You walk slowly to your destination. As you walk, you notice many interesting things. You see children laughing. You see people walking their dogs. You hear birds singing in the trees. You smell fresh flowers. Everything around you feels calm and beautiful. Take another slow breath. Listen carefully. The more you listen, the more familiar English becomes. You don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy the sound of the language. Now, imagine you arrive at a small coffee shop. The shop is warm and welcoming. A friendly barista smiles and says, "Good morning." You smile back. "Good morning." The barista asks, "What would you like today?" You answer, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." "Anything else?" "Yes, a chocolate muffin, please." "That will be ready in a moment." You find a comfortable seat near the window. You watch people passing by. Some are talking. Some are reading books. Some are working on their laptops. Everyone has their own story. While waiting, you think about your dreams. Maybe you want to speak English confidently. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel around the world. Maybe you simply enjoy learning something new. Whatever your reason is, remember this. Every single day you improve. Every minute you listen helps your brain learn. Learning English is not a race. It is a journey. Small steps become big results. Your coffee arrives. It smells wonderful. You take a slow sip. It's warm and delicious. You relax and enjoy the peaceful moment. After finishing your coffee, you decide to visit a nearby park. The park is clean and quiet. Tall green trees move gently in the wind. The grass looks soft. The flowers are colorful. You hear birds singing. You hear children playing. You hear leaves dancing in the breeze. You sit on a wooden bench. You close your eyes. You feel the warm sunlight on your face. You take another deep breath. You feel thankful. You think about everything you already have. Good health. A new day. A chance to learn. A chance to grow. Life doesn't have to be perfect. It only has to move forward. Every day is another opportunity. As you leave the park, you notice an elderly man carrying heavy bags. Without thinking twice, you walk over and offer to help him. He smiles warmly. "Thank you very much." You answer, "You're welcome." Helping someone makes you feel happy. Kindness costs nothing, but it means everything. As evening arrives, the sky turns orange and pink. The sun slowly sets. The air becomes cooler. You return home feeling peaceful. You cook a simple dinner. You eat slowly. You drink a glass of water. After dinner, you read a few pages of a good book. You learn something new. You feel proud of yourself. Before going to bed, you think about your day. You realize that happiness often comes from simple moments. A smile, a conversation, a walk in the park, a quiet cup of coffee, a small act of kindness. These little moments create a beautiful life. Now it's time to relax completely. Take one more deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. As you continue listening, quietly repeat these sentences in your mind. I am learning English every day. English is becoming easier for me. I understand more than yesterday. I enjoy listening to English. I am patient. I am confident. I am improving. I believe in myself. I never stop learning. I am becoming a fluent English speaker. Very good. Keep breathing slowly. Let your body relax. Let your mind stay calm. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with me. Keep listening every night. Little by little, day by day, your English will become stronger. Have a peaceful night. Sleep well. And I'll see you in the next angle.